Hello everyone and welcome to Master Martini Lab. Today I'm going to demonstrate two different kinds of praline using our gourmand chocolate line. So the dark praline will be with hazelnut and passion fruit flavor, while the white one will be with salted pistachio, raspberry and lychee. Let's see how to make them. I'm going to demonstrate two different types of praline, one using the dark chocolate and one using the white chocolate. Okay, so now we will proceed to decorate our mold first, and after that we'll start tempering the gourmand chocolate and do the shell of our praline. The gourmand chocolate is just melted at 50 degrees. We need to keep on stirring the chocolate onto the marble in order to avoid the lumps that can happen because of the crystallization of the chocolate at the bottom. Now we proceed with the making of the filling for the dark chocolate praline. We have to temper this filling in between 24 and 25 degrees. I will leave the chocolate mold inside the fridge. The filling is crystallized. Now we'll proceed to close our mold with the last layer of gourmand 60%. What are we going to do again is the tempering. So I will bring it down to 26 degrees and then bring it up to 28, 29 degrees. So now I'm ready to prepare the filling for our white chocolate gourmand praline. Mold inside the fridge for another 5 to 10 minutes maximum, and after that we will be ready to demold the praline.